Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop. So what's your name and what's in here, man?
I'm Jacob. Everybody calls me Will Billy. I got 4 VXF 15s and a 32 hertz wall on 2 4500s, the SK series, on a 200 amp hour marine battery. And it's all right.
Nice.
My voltage is sitting, as you see, around 13.6. So
okay. Nice.
Not too terrible.
And you built this?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
What made you go with airports versus slot?
I ran a slotted port and a no wall last year with 4 DDXs.
Okay.
I just want, to be honest with you, I just wanted to switch it up and test them out because I've never ran aeroports.
Yep.
I didn't really have a reason.
Okay. Nice. And those are 8 or 6?
6 inch.
6 inch. Okay.
Everybody thinks they're 8, which they technically are, I guess, but the actual port itself
The port itself is 6. Yeah, it flares out 6 to 8.
Yeah.
Nice. Any SPL tests?
Not yet. Today will be first time on the meter.
Okay.
So I'm excited.
What is the frequencies it likes tuning wise?
I'm tuned at 32, but I mean I can play all the way down to 8 and all the way up to 45.
Okay.
And after that, you know, roll off.
Yep.
Doesn't really.
Yes, sir. Very nice. Jacob and Jacob. All right.
Yep. Your videos really got me into this stuff. So,
Really?
yeah. Back in the day, whenever I was younger. So.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you watching.
That's one thing that really impressed me. It's like, I was not expecting it, and surprisingly I have no denter.
No denter?
No denter.
You know, any plans for denter?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going 4th. I'm literally, after this show, I'm taking this up, going to a 4th, and I'm deadening everything.
Yes, sir.
Doing a big swap up, and 2 more 4500s.
Okay.
So 1 per sub.
Got it. Okay. Very nice. All right. Is there a way I can see the back?
Yeah.
Is there anything in the back?
Yeah, I have a stunt wall back there. It's nothing too crazy. All my power's right here behind this
Okay.
seat.
Got it.
Oh, you'll have to roll the window down. It's,
Uh-oh.
you know how it is.
Yep. It's all right. I'll look underneath the hood and all too, see everything.
Yeah, absolutely.
You know how I am?
I just put the new alt in yesterday.
Okay. That helped a good bit?
Yeah, it's holding a whole lot better than it was. I'll say that much.
Yes, sir.
I need to swap the lid.
Hey man, I've been watching your videos for a couple of years now.
Really?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Love to hear it, man.
But I know I'm gonna let you in again, and when I do, it's gonna hurt like hell, and you don't mean to. That's what I tell myself, but why you gotta be so? Monday night was definitely not a night. Tuesday night was just another fight. I should probably know.
Use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Thursday came. You gotta be so
You're welcome, Jacob. Nice to meet you.
Thank you for watching.
No problem.
Pretty good. It's got good bandwidth.
Your videos really got me into this stuff. So,
Really?
yeah. Back in the day, whenever I
Okay.
was younger. So.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you watching. It's got pretty good bandwidth too for a wall.
That's one thing that I'm really
sir.
impressed with. Like, I was not expecting it, and surprisingly, I have no denter.
For Denver?
No denter.
You know, any plans for Denver?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm going fourth. I'm literally after this show, I'm taking this up, going to a fourth, and I'm deadening everything.
Yes, sir.
Doing a big swap up, and 2 more 4500.
Okay.
So 1 per sub.
Got it. Okay. Very nice.